In this video, I will show you how to add contact picture and poster on iPhone. So let's get started. Contact picture or photos are small in size and circular in shape and will appear at the top with the name underneath it. On the other hand, posters will take the entire screen of your iPhone. Let's see how to enable contact photo first. Open Phone app. Now select the Contact tab at the bottom. At the top, you will find My Card. Just tap on it to open. Now tap on Contact Photo and Poster. Now enable Name and Photo Sharing option. Tap Name. And here you can enter your first name and last name that you want to appear on the screen of the person you are calling. Tap Share automatically. And you can choose whether the contact photo and poster will be visible to the contacts only or iOS will always ask before sharing it. So I will choose contacts only. Now tap on Edit to begin. Now tap Customize at the bottom. Here you will find two options, contact photo and poster. Tap on contact photo. Here you can either take selfie using camera or choose photo from photo gallery. You can even choose Memoji, monogram or emojis. Let's tap photos. And this will open photo gallery. Now just select the photo that you want to set as the contact picture. Let's select any of the photo. Now we need to align it to perfectly fit in the circle. Once done, tap Choose to finalize it. You can even select one of those available filters. And when you are okay with the photo, tap Next. Now you will get an option to choose poster. You can either tap Skip or tap Update. You can even select different poster using Choose a different poster link. Let's tap Choose a different poster. And here as well, you can either take selfie using camera or choose photo from the photo gallery. You can even choose Memoji or monogram. Let's tap Photos. Now select the photo that you wish to set as the poster. You can swipe to the left and you will find different effects. Once you are okay with the changes, tap Done at the top. Now tap Continue. And as you can see, we have now set contact picture and poster. So that is how you can add contact picture and poster on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.